How to change the password of your Spotify account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the password of your Spotify account. So, first of all, if you go to your Spotify app and then go to the settings by tapping the gear icon on the top right, there you won't find any option as to how you can change your Spotify account's password. So in order to change your password, you'll have to do it through a browser. So go to any web browser on your mobile device or a desktop, and in the web address bar simply type in spotify.com. Now you'll be taken to the official homepage of Spotify. Now tap on the gear icon on the top right side of your screen. Now tap on the option view account, and now you'll be redirected to this page where right over here you can see the option named account overview. So if you tap on it, a drop down box will appear where if you look closely, the third option, you can see it named change password. So simply tap on it. And now in order to change your Spotify account's password, you must remember your current password, and once you enter your current password, set up a new password for your Spotify account and then retype the new password in the box below. And now if you tap on set new password, your password will be successfully changed. So that is basically how you change the password of your Spotify account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.